Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram effect search option not showing in iPhone or any Android. If you're using any iPhone or any Android and you're facing the issue that your Instagram search option is not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So for example, I'm going to add a story in my Instagram profile and here I'm facing the issue again and again if you're trying to share a story or any reel. Or for example, I'm going to share a story here. So open this storage section and select the photo which you want to set. That is the effects option, and here you can see there's no any search option like that. So let's see how can you easily get search option here. You just have to go back. Very first you have to open your app store here, or you're in if you're on the Android. So you just have to look for Play Store and go for search for Instagram here. So you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. And after checking your updates, or if you find any pending updates, try to update your app. And after updating, you have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram here. If you are using any Android, you just have to look for Android storage or app management section and you will get Instagram app info. From there, you can easily clear cache files of your Instagram app. And after clearing cache files or an iPhone, after offloading this app, your app will be reinstalled on your iPhone. And then go back, you have to close all apps, then open your Instagram app again. And this time you have to try to add or search for filters in your story section here. So here you can see there's no any search option. So now to fix that, there's the only way. You just have to go back from there and you have to open this profile option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner and here just scroll down. Look for the help option here. Then select report a problem. Select report without checking here. Tap on dot include. If you want to include, you can also include diagnostics. And here you have to briefly explain what happened or your issue. You have to explain that I'm having an issue that I haven't search option in my Instagram story filter. And after that, you can also include screenshots or you can also upload any image from your gallery. And after doing that, your issue must be fixed. Instagram will fix your issue in up to 24 hours or it will send you a message that your issue must be fixed, or if it doesn't, or if Instagram can't fix that, you will get the confirmation message after that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.